Nowadays, society and technology already depend heavily on networks and information systems. Smartphones and tablets have numerous apps, from games for little kids to bank payments. Day by day, consumer products are connected to these devices. A great form to exemplify the comfort on consumers can be different, and there can be different ways people can use certain apps to make their life easier. With this, an informative question could be asked: until what extent can society take advantage of technological devices, and which is the effect it has on our future? So, to answer this question, I try to identify major impacts that these devices can have. The topic that excited me the most was the use of these devices to make payments, not only online, but from the store itself. This means that people, more specifically customers, can have the power to pay stock simply by holding their phone on their retail check. So can a phone become a digital wallet? We can find a special app called the NFC, Near Field Communication. As its name states, this app uses a combination of hardware and software to let you essentially turn your phone into a wallet. With this app, people can use their credit cards, coupons, and tickets for transportation, movies, theaters, and much more. Places that can use this app can be in restaurants, cruises, shops, banks, and theaters, or any places who have the appropriate software to validate all of these elements stated. Okay, so now I'm going to show you two videos. One is called Near Field Communication, and the other one is called A Day with NFC Technology, which will explain you more a little bit about this.
Near Field Communications, or NFC, is an exciting new technology enabling electronic devices to communicate with each other. NFC makes all our digital friends aware of their surroundings, their peers, and most importantly, us. Google and Apple are adding NFC capabilities to smartphones. Visa and MasterCard are adding payment services to checkout stands, and merchants of all sizes are providing new ways for you to interact with products, simply by coming into close proximity. Imagine being able to pay for items just by waving your phone over them. Imagine your car and house transmitting maintenance requests to your calendar automatically. And imagine your body transmitting its vital statistics to your doctor for regular review. The NFC market is poised to become the next great technological revolution. Analysts expect 40 million NFC-capable devices shipped by the end of 2011. And by 2014, 1 in 6 wireless subscribers will have access. That's 500 million people tapped into the global network. Can you afford to be out of the loop?
And now the other video is called A Day with NFC. Okay, so here they show how they use it for boarding passes, transportation, and trains. So the only thing you will need is your phone, so you wouldn't need to have more stuff. Or doing payments, you just put your phone on the RC tags, and then your payment is already done. So there's also for smart sport entertainment to go inside concerts or any games needed. You just have to put your phone on the RC tag, and then you'll just go inside. Okay, so some of the benefits that NFC has. The first one is not having a wallet, so you can have all your credit cards, coupons, receipts, or all other physical utilities that could easily get lost. Not being concerned of any physical documents. As I said before about tickets to concert, cruises, airlines, you'll have all in one. The activation of credit cards is faster and more efficient. Sometimes it will take more than days, like about 10 days, to activate your credit card. Now you'll easily do it in 1 hour. It's less expensive. There will be you wouldn't have to do credit cards, so there will be more recycling. No delivery needed for the companies to take the credit cards up to the final customer, and less lead time and effort. There will be increase in sales in the businesses, build loyalty to clients, and no use of cash. This means that there will be less paper wasted and less money lost. There will be faster lines in stores and banks or other places lines are needed, and less personnel involved. So There are some questions when there is there's some question asked when there is a new technology in the market. The first one, is it safe? Yes, definitely it's safe. Why? Because this app uses a code when you want to get access to your credit cards. You just have to type the code and then you put it on the RC tags. It's in case of any loss or your phone is lost, it's very easy to inactivate the credit cards used. You just have to call the phone company you're using, and then the credit cards will be immediately inactivated. And there's also normally the credit cards are easily cloned on the credit card terminal. Now this wouldn't happen because you only have it on your phone. And there's another question asked: would this involve less workers? As the director of smart technology yesterday said, the 21st century is more of professional workers, like engineers, and this would be implemented in this new application. So, what is up for society and its future? We now know that these smartphones are not only used for communication, but also for comfort. There is no need on having wallets inside your bag or in your pocket, and I mean, who forgets their phone? With your wallet, you have to worry about 2 or more things, but with this app, you only have to worry about 1, your phone. As the video said, NFC is a good way to use in hospitals. So now patients and doctors can have all the information in just their phone. Countries like Australia and UK already have implemented this technique, especially in their transportation. So this makes know that this application is used and is implemented. And it's very easy accessing it. Anything that has to do with NFC device where you can enable it, like the RC tags, and that's the only access you need. A statistic said that the NFC stated a mass adoption that would get up to 141 million users by the end of 2014. So the director of NFC states, we are working hard on interoperability platforms, and I think we're going to see people putting marketing dollars behind the technology that needs to happen on the customer side. Often like this to how at the beginning of the internet, could anybody have predicted Facebook? We're at the stage now where anything could happen. Well, this quote says that we never know when NFC could be actually very used now in society, so it could be anything could be possible. So, with everything said, technology innovation provides more essence for the needs of the customers. In this case, people who would have everything in their wallet. They could easily have it on their phone. This way, there is more accessibility to many authentication services, all in one. There are many benefits regarding the NFC detection software or many other apps. This is not the only app that could be used for this. It builds up a loyalty between the business and the final customer. So in the future, we will be full of RC tags and would only need 1 touch. The best thing to do is to take advantage of what we have and what we can get so we can have a better and easier future. Thank you for your attention.